Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Amazon Prime device limit reached. Alright, so let's begin. Now the first thing that you want to do is you want to log in, and then you want to go here in your account top right corner of your screen, and then account and settings. And then in this page, you're going to see devices. So as you can see, you will see all the devices signed in with your account in here. Now, I want you to know that the device limit actually depends on your subscription. So if you have Prime Video Mobile Edition, you can only have one mobile device only. Prime Lite can only have one device only. And then Prime Lite's memberships offered via third-party service providers can allow you around 1 to 2 devices, and then Amazon Prime allows you to sign in on total of 5 devices including 2 TVs. So if you have this error, you just simply sign out one device that you're not using anymore so that you would have space for a new device. So that's how easy it is. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Amazon Prime device limit reached. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.